What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you're feeling good. Hope you're feeling great. Let's get it in. Let me ask you a question. Can you tell me where in nature you can naturally find these corporations? I know it sounds like a silly question, but I gotta ask. Show me in nature where you find Oreos. Show me in nature where you find pizza. Show me in nature where any of these corporation is in nature. You're not gonna find nothing. Why? Because man made all these things up. Man created all these things, therefore they created your world. This isn't your world, you was born into this world. You was born into a capitalistic society. Nowhere in nature you see none of these things. But man want to build. Man build concrete on Mother Nature. Man build buildings on top of Mother Nature, which, concrete stop electricity. You are an electrical being. Concrete stop that shit. It restrict it. That's why you have concrete everywhere. Show me in nature where there's concrete. Show me in nature where there's buildings. You won't find it. Why? Because man created a world for you. Man created an illusion for you. Society wants you to buy things, consume. You go to work, you get off work. On Friday, you get paid, and then you buy things. They want you to spend. They want you to spend on all these corporations that you see here. You think these things are natural. You think these things are a part of life. So when you're looking at McDonald's symbols, right? The Volkswagen, all these corporations, understand something. The people that control the corporation, the people that created the logos, such as McDonald's and the Volkswagen and stuff like that, they understand symbolism. They understand that the symbol holds frequency, energy, and vibration. They understand that a certain symbol makes you want to buy things. They understand that a certain symbol can make you hungry Out of nowhere, you pass by McDonald's, you be like, damn, I'm kind of hungry. Pass by any fast food joint, damn, I'm kind of hungry. They're practicing magic on you. They're practicing witchcraft on you. You think to you it's just a McDonald's logo. That's to the average person. Oh, it's just a logo. But it's something deeper and spiritual going on. Again, the war is not physical. The war is spiritual. The symbol of the corporation, right? Those that they be having, again, it talks to your subconscious mind. Again, it make you want to buy stuff, spend stuff for no reason. These corporations are practicing witchcraft on you. Why do you think they're able to dominate the planet? Why do you think McDonald's, the biggest fast food restaurant on the planet? All these corporations. They exist simply for you to consume. You buy your clothes from them. You buy your cell phone from them. You buy your food from them. Everything you ever have is from them. You're nothing but a consumer. These are billion-dollar corporations ran and controlled by a powerful group of people. Have you noticed something? I know this video sounds like it might be over the place, but whatever comes to mind comes to mind. But have you noticed something? They don't really promote healthy eating, do they? Show me a vegan restaurant that dominates the same way McDonald's does. Why do you think there's McDonald's in every corner in America? Show me in nature a burger. Show me in nature a fries naturally. You won't find it. But they promote fast food. They promote acidic food. The war we live in don't promote eating greens. They don't promote eating your vegetables, your fruits. Most of you guys eat for pleasure. You don't eat for fuel, you eat for pleasure. You don't eat because it's good for you. You're eating because, because it feel good. You want to eat a burger because it feel good. You want to eat pizza because it feel good. Most people don't want to really eat raw food from earth, raw plants, raw herbs, raw vegetables growing from earth. They don't want that. Because if you do that, you'll be healthy as hell. Think better, feel better, act better. But they don't promote eating greens. They mostly promote what? fast food, acidic food. Again, you're eating for pleasure. You're not eating to feed what the body needs, which is the nutrients, greens. I'm gonna cut it here, folks. Y'all be good. Y'all still wear, and I'm out.